Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus, and in this video ay pinagpapatuloy natin yung ating discussion on the derivative of trigonometric functions. No? By the way guys, hindi ko masyadong ginagamit yung word na differentiate, no? Pero madalas makikita nyo yun sa mga books, no? Pag sinabi nating differentiate, ibig sabihin nun, we get the derivative. No? So for example, I can say differentiate secant x minus 4 cosecant x. Ibig sabihin nun, find the derivative. No? The same. So how do we find the derivative of secant x minus 4 cosecant x? So naalala niyo pa yung naalala niyo pa yung rules natin, no? Anong ginagawa natin pag may magkahiwalay na functions o na expressions separated by addition or subtraction? Ito yung tinatawag natin na sum and difference rule, no? So ginagawa natin is we take the derivative of the separate we take the derivative of the expression separately. So meaning, yan sum and difference rule natin, just a reminder, no? Just a recall. So d dx, meaning we get the derivative of secant x, no? And then minus for the derivative of 4 cosecant x, no? Okay, so this is equal to, what is the derivative of secant x? Derivative of secant x is secant x tangent x. So this is equal to secant x tangent x. However, ito, if we want to be more detailed, so ano nga ito? Meron kang constant, meron kang function, o meron kang expression. This is the constant multiple rule, no? So, ilalabas mo yung constant mo and then find the derivative. No? So, meaning 4 times the derivative of cosecant x. Kung napapansin nyo guys, parang tinuturing natin yung bawat expression as function, di ba? So, nangyayari naman yan kasi we're getting the derivative, meaning in principle, we're getting the slope, no? So, parang sineperate natin siya. No? Parang separate functions. So, still, we copy secant x. Wala na tayong problema dito sa secant x tangent x. Nakuha na natin. Secant x tangent x. No? By the way, minsan wala yung parenthesis. So, minus 4, what is the derivative of cosecant x? This is negative cosecant x tangent x. So, times negative cosecant x tangent x. Oh, sorry, cotangent x. Cotangent x. Okay. So this is equal to secant x tangent x minus tsaka negative, so plus 4 cosecant x cotangent x. Okay, so yan yung sagot natin dito sa unang tanong natin. Pangalawa, we have maybe we'll use this space na natira. Okay, so we have derivative of sine x plus cotangent x. So katulad nung kabila, hiwalay natin siya using the by the sum and difference rule. So pwede natin the derivative of sine x plus the derivative of cotangent x. Okay, so which is equal to, anong derivative ng sine x? Diba cosine x? Cosine x plus, what's the derivative of cotangent x? That is negative cosecant squared x. Negative cosecant squared x. So this is just equal to cosine x plus negative is the same as minus cosecant squared x. No? So ito na yung pinakasagot natin. No? So, dito sa dalawang examples na to, we used the two previous formulas na pag-aralan natin. Dito, ginamit natin pareho yung sum and difference rule. At ginamit din natin yung constant multiple rule, lalo sa number 1. So, meron tayong constant, meron tayong expression or function. And then, nilabas natin yung constant natin. And then, we get the derivative of the function or the expression. Okay, so that's it for now. We will have more examples in the next videos. Invite ko kayo mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. www.youtube.com/user/iplanph and our Facebook page, facebook.com/iplanph, and syempre sa ating website. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.